Hi guys, now we will check the breaker coil resistance. This is breaker close coil. Okay, this is R phase, this is Y phase, this is B phase. Okay, A2 is negative terminal, A1 is positive terminal. Okay, now breaker is open condition, so we will check the point. This is Y phase, so LB12, LB11. Okay, this is LBTP 1112 70 ohm. So coil is healthy. Okay, this is trip coil. Okay, trip coil R phase, Y phase, B phase. Okay, so this is A2, same A1. So this is pre-close, this is post-close. Pre-close means breaker is open condition, post-close means breaker is closed condition. Okay, so when breaker is open, this contact is NC. When breaker is closed, this contact is NC. So now breaker is open condition, so we will check the point LA3, LA1. Okay, so this is LA3, LA1. 202. 202 is okay. So minimum value 190, maximum value 220. So 202 is okay. Coil is healthy.